practical exercise of the flying staff of the Russian base was held at Erebuni Airport in Armenia. The exercise was dedicated to the meeting of the CIS Air Defense Coordination Council that was held in Yerevan. Members of CIS delegations were introduced Armenia-produced equipment, drones, laser ranger, GPS and GLONASS jamming device and others. The main part of the event was combat rehearsal, interception and forced landing of a plane violating borders. The operation was demonstrated for the first time in Armenia. Erebuni Airport is hosting a Russian air base which is part of 102nd Russian military base deployed in Armenia.